bambinoLUK Early Learning Series for grades pre-KK or ages 3 to 5. The bambinoLUK Early Learning System reinforces key early childhood development skills, such as visual perception, fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, self-esteem. I'm starting with the starter pack. The starter pack comes with your 6-tile controller, and this works for all the bambinoLUK workbook activity books, the My First bambinoLUK workbook, a parent-teacher guide, and a skills chart that covers the skills and the level of difficulty for each of the activity books. In order to use the Bambino activities, inside of each of the covers, it shows you how to play. Easy 1, 2, 3 setup. So we're actually going to start with activity number 2, which focuses on visual perception as well as some concentration. We take our controller and we want to open up the controller, and as you can see, it's clear. So we actually are able to set that right on top of our book. And you'll notice, this is for the setup, in the top corner of each of the squares you'll see a picture. And this is actually the picture of our tiles. So I'm actually going to find the house tile and I'm going to put that in the right hand corner. The heart, I'm going to take that and put that in that space. The duck, the car, the flower, and the apple. And this is the setup for every single bambinoLUK workbook throughout the entire series. So the child gets that consistency and easy setup. So if you'll notice, on the left-hand side of the workbook, it gives us visual clues on what we're trying to match down below in the activity. So for example, we have a giraffe, and we're showing an up-close picture of the giraffe, part of the giraffe. So I'm going to take my first tile off, and we're going from left to right, as you do in reading. I have a giraffe, and I'm going to find my close-up shot of the giraffe, and I'm going to put that down there. Then I have a peacock, and that's down below. I have the zebra, panda, turtle, and the tiger. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my tray, and I'm going to turn it over, and you should be able to see this is our self-checking aspect of the bambinoLUK learning system. Is we have solid circles and we have a pattern that matches the book and the page. And you should be able to see, if I move a couple tiles, if it's incorrect, you'll see we don't have a solid circle, as well as, of course, it's not going to match the picture.